All right, everybody, thank you. This is a quick video walkthrough of the auction we're going to have May 13. Encourage you to come to the inspection May 11, 2 to 5, and Saturday, May 13th, 8:30, 10:30. Auction begins promptly at 10:30. Before we get to the auction, this is not in the auction, but we do have the dumpster company available for sale in a private sale. 2 trucks, the red Freightliner over there. This is a 2022, 65 cans, and a book of business. If you're interested, give us a call. So we've got plows, a couple of stainless steel, a couple of iron. We got a Bobcat sweeper, Rhino brush cutter, nice Bobcat grapple here, power rake, trailers, 2018 rampant trailer. We have a nice little trailer back there, 5x10, 07 550 dump truck, another 07 550 dump truck, all with low miles. In great shape, tires are good, all run, we've started them. You see the videos on each lot number. Nice Western Star, might need some gasket work, but again, a low mile truck. 03 F350, this is a dump body, but it has a stake body on the back. This is not in the auction, this is the other Freightliner hook truck. Here's a Freightliner dump truck. This one has the bond doors on the back, good shape. Bunch of trailers. All the trailers are in good shape. This is a big Tex. And this is the 2015 Hyundai H160L excavator, low hours, only 1,600 hours. I mean, it's almost brand new. This is the 03 F750, super nice shape dump truck. Really low hours on this one, I think like 110. This is lot number 10. Behind it, another trailer, construction trailer. And here we have the Case C37C mini excavator. Again, low hours on this one, 749, I think. And then we have smalls. We got some snow blowers and mowers and stainless salt dogs, stainless steel spreaders, trash chutes, plastic pipe, tires. These are new tires. Elbows, ladders, all the way up to 32 foot. Some fertilizer, lime spreaders. These are the Wright zero turn mowers, 2022 and 2016, super nice shape. And then inside we've got about 150 lots, 125 lots. There's a breaker. This one just about brand new. And all sorts of stuff in here. Toolboxes, tools, socket sets, sawzalls, grinders, saws, lots of tools, plate dogs, generators, wire line, hoses, landscaping tools. These are sold in groups. Wrenches, socket sets, some old vintage automotive stuff here. Vintage parts, vintage cans, some vintage advertising. Pretty nice little lots. Backpack blowers, chainsaws, Transits. There's a Landa Hot Series pressure washer. We've got some aerators, walk behind mowers. Here's a Exmark, I'm sorry. Riding mower. And then we have some stuff on the other side. Won't waste your time, but come to the inspection. May 11th, 2 to 5. May 13th, 8:30 to 10:30. One owner, no reserve auction. See you there.